Hey everybody, Carl here from Apt, and we've got another new Samsung TV here to unbox for you. This time it's the TU7000 series. This is going to be the replacement for the NU6900. It sort of falls right in between that and the RU7100 series. So we're going to open this up, show you guys what comes inside, and give a kind of a first initial impression. Here we have all the accessories that come in the box. We've got a quick setup guide along with a user manual. Then there's the Samsung remote. This is just their basic remote. And then some batteries for that, along with a power cord, some pedestal feet, and then some cable management clips for those pedestal feet. Here we are on the back, and this is where all your inputs are located. You've got a USB input along with an optical audio output, two HDMIs, one of which has an enhanced audio return channel, as well as an antenna hookup. And then on the very back is an Ethernet connection. So we've had a couple minutes to check out the picture on this TV, and initial first impressions are it's pretty good. It's replacing an inexpensive TV, so it's not the top of the line. For the price point, I think people are going to be really happy with this one. That's the TU7000. Again, it's replacing NU6900. A really nice picture. I was very surprised actually to see how bright it was and how overall nice everything looked. All right, so we've got a picture up on the screen now. We'll go into the menus just to see what all the presets are. So as we go over to the left here, we'll get to settings. And it looks like we're going to come right out of the box set to standard. We've also got natural, movie, and dynamic. And then we've got standard sound mode, adaptive sound, and amplify. And let's see what our motion settings are looking like. There's a game mode that is kind of hidden back there too, so you do have the option to turn game mode on and off on this one. Color tones, there we go. So it's set to auto picture clarity, and then you've also got the choice of custom or off. I personally prefer having it off. We'll leave it on auto for right now though. And we've got digital output, format for audio, and then device care. So pretty standard. This is a pretty similar setup to what we're going to see on most all of the Samsung TVs. There's just a couple things missing from this one. But otherwise, menus look pretty straightforward. We've got some options down here as well for movie content. And then we've got our selection of apps that come installed right out of the box. You'll have the choice to install more apps if you want to down the road as well. We're going to dive a little further into it in our full review, so make sure, if you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe so you get the updates whenever we upload that new content. It should be coming up soon. Thanks as always for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.